I will not be investing in cryptocurrencies, ever. How are you guys doing today? My name is Apple, and today we are filling in the financial gap between schools and the real world. And today I'm going to be giving you guys my opinion on cryptocurrencies and investing in cryptocurrencies in general. So let's do it. In this video, I'm going to be assuming that you have a basic knowledge of cryptocurrencies and like Bitcoin. If you do not, feel free to check out my video I made giving you guys a basic understanding of cryptocurrencies. I will link that up top. And yeah, so if you need to finish watching that, come back here and then keep watching this. So in my opinion, the term investing in cryptocurrencies right now is a contradiction. I think a more accurate term would be speculating in cryptocurrencies. I just don't see crypto as an investment right now because it is so volatile, and I personally do not see the technicalities or the value behind cryptos that cause it to increase and decrease over time. I personally do not understand it, so therefore I see it as more of a speculation for me. So when I think of an investment, I think of an asset that has intrinsic value. This could be like a stock, a bond, some real estate, a business, a mutual fund. All of these things have value within them that gives them some sort of basis to go off of, to value this investment. You have sort of like a baseline of, okay, this is a part of a company, or this is a duplex in a certain neighborhood, or this mutual fund is composed of X, Y, and Z stocks. So therefore you have some idea of what you're investing in, and that thing has some value within it or represents some actual physical, tangible thing. So that's what I think of when I think of an investment. So my problem with cryptos is similar to my problems with gold. The basis for deriving the value of these assets or investments or whatever is unclear to me. And if I don't fully understand an investment, I'm not going to invest in it. That is just my personal philosophy. If I don't know the ins and outs of what I'm putting my money in, then I'm not going to make that investment because I'm not confident that I am making a solid investment for the long term. And therefore, if something did happen and the prices did drop rapidly, I would not have confidence that they would recover because I did not fully understand that investment going in. So if I don't understand it, I'm not going to invest in it, period. If you tell me you have a great investment but are unable to give me a quick like 2-sentence elevator pitch on it, on what it is or why I should invest in it, I'm not going to invest in it. Now, I'm sure there's a ton of people out there who understand cryptos really well. And if you're one of those people and you choose to invest in cryptos, all the more power to you. Like, if you know this investment well, then do it. Keep doing your thing and go for it. But I personally do not, so that is why I am not invested in cryptos right now. The main reason that I don't understand it is because, unlike a stock, a cryptocurrency does not have any company fundamentals, any earnings, any dividends, or any clear value indicators. Additionally, unlike a bond, there is no borrower on the other end agreeing that you will be paid back. Unlike real estate, there is no cash flow from rent payments, no way to gauge appreciation based on historical patterns. And unlike a business, there is no product, no service provided. There are no customers, and again, there is no cash flow with investing in cryptos. The only way to make money investing in cryptos is if the price goes up. And what causes the price to go up? Honestly, I don't know. Is it popularity? Is it new technologies? Is it advances in blockchain technology? Is it like innovative ideas with like new altcoins that are for specific things? Like, what causes a Bitcoin to increase in value? I honestly have no idea. As of right now, the crazy price swings and high volatility make it, in my opinion, not feasible as a means of paying for things right now. So I'm really not sure what people are thinking is going to cause the value of cryptos to increase, besides like the increased demand and the increased hype behind cryptocurrencies right now. So that's how I see driving the price. But at some point, I do assume that cryptocurrencies are going to stabilize and be like feasible as a type of currency. But for right now, it does not seem stable at all. Just the crazy price swings, the like 25% drops in a day just don't make it feasible, in my opinion, as a way to pay for things, because setting prices in terms of cryptos is just so not viable right now. So the bottom line for me, what it comes down to is I don't understand the forces that govern the value of a Bitcoin, a Litecoin, or Ethereum at a given time. Therefore, I'm not going to be investing in any of these cryptos right now or at any time in the foreseeable future. So let me know in the comments below, what do you guys think of cryptocurrencies right now? Is it something that you are invested in? Do you understand it better than I do? Can you give me some clarity in the comments? Maybe try to sway me on what governs the value of a Bitcoin. I would love to hear your guys' opinions and comments below, and I would love to learn something. So definitely let me know in the comments below. If you guys enjoyed this video, please leave a like and subscribe, and thank you guys very much for sticking around, and until next time.